Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. From what we have here, can factor h raised to power x here, and we have h raised to power x into bracket. Here we have 1 plus 1 close bracket equals to 100 from here. So this here is same thing as h raised to power x times 1 plus 1, that's 2, equals to 100 on this side. This from here, we divide both sides by 2. That is, divide this side by 2. Also, divide this side by 2. Here, 2 cancel each other here. We have h raised to power x equals to 100 over 2. And from here, we have h raised to power x equals to 100 over 2. That's 50 here. The next step, we take the log on both sides. That is, here we have log h raised to power x equals to log 50 from here. The next step here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. This here we have x log 8 equals to log 50 from here. The next step, divide both sides by log 8. So this divide this side by log 8. Also divide this side by log 8. Then here log 8 cancelled each other. We have x equals to log 50 over log 8. Then next step, 50 here can be expressed as 2 times 25. What we have becomes x equals to log 2 times 25 over log 8. As this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, is same thing as log a plus log b. As this here, we have x equals to log 2 plus log 25 over log 8. Then next step here, we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 2 over log 8 plus log 25 over log 8. That is, from here, we can express 8 as 2 times 2 times 2. That's 2 raised to the power 3. And also 25 as 5 times 5, which is the same thing as 5 squared. That is, what we have here becomes x equals to log 2 over log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 squared over log 2 raised to power 3. This you apply the power law of logarithm. 3 comes there, 2 comes there, and also 3 comes there. We have x equals to log 2 over 3 log 2 plus 2 log 5 over 3 log 2. Here, log 2 cancel each other, and we have x equals to 1 over 3 left here. Plus here, we have 2 over 3 times log 5 over log 2. Then we apply change of base from what we have log a over log b. This is same thing as log a to base b. That is, here we have x equals to 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 5 base 2. Also, I'm bring this together as one fraction. We have x equals to the SCM here, that's 3. And here we have 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2. That is, we have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 3. What we have here becomes 8 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 over 3 plus also 8 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 3 is equals to 100 on this side. That is, from here, when we have same thing together, a plus a, and write that as 2 times a. For this here we have 2 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 3 is equals to 100 on this side. Then here we have 2 times 2 raised to 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 3 is equals to 100 on this side. And this power multiplies 3 cancelled each other here. We have 2 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 is equals to 100 on this side. And this here we have 2 times. Apply the law of this is a raised to power n plus n. Same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. And this here we have 2 raised to power 1 times 2 raised to power 2 log 5 base 2 is equals to 100 on this side. And this here we have 2 times 2 raised to power 1, that's 2, and times here we revise this one, we have p log n, which is same thing as log n raised to power p. This here we have 2 raised to power log 5 square base 2 is equals to 100 on this side. And this 2 times 2 here, that's 4, then times here we have 2 raised to power log 5 square, that's 25 base 2 is equals to 100 on this side. This follows the law of logarithm when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. Here we have 4 times 25 is equals to 100 on this side. Of course, 4 times 25 here give us 100, which is equals to 100 from here. That is, left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 1 plus 2 log 5 is 2 all over 3 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget the steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn notification bell. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comments and join our membership package. And see you next class. Bye for now.